Hi friends, in this video we'll learn the treatment of accrued income in final accounts. We have an example here. Trial balance as on 31st March 22. Particulars: debit rupees, credit rupees, commission 1 lakh rupees, interest on investments 50,000. You are given some adjustments. Accrued commission not recorded 20,000, accrued interest not recorded 10,000. So what this adjustments is saying is, during the year the business has earned some commission income which is not yet collected and it has not been recorded. Because it was not collected, the accountant, by oversight or by mistake, he has not recorded this income, and accrued interest not recorded 10,000. So we have earned some interest income on my investments, but we have failed to recognize it in my books of account because it was not received in cash. So as per accrual concept, we have to recognize the income when it is earned. We should not wait for the realization of cash. If we are recognizing the income only when it is realized in cash, then we are following cash basis of accounting. We are not following cash basis of accounting. We are following mercantile system of accounting or accrual system of accounting, which requires recognition of income when it is earned. So as soon as the income is earned, it has to be shown in the P&L. It has to be shown as an income in the books of account. We should not wait for the realization of cash. So how do we solve this problem? It is very simple. Let us prepare the relevant final accounts. The P&L account for year ended 31st March 22. Balance sheet as on 31st March 22. So in the P&L account, I'll show my income by commission. In the inner column, 1 lakh rupees, and by interest on investments in the inner column, 50,000. Now I know that there is some accrued commission which has not been recorded, 20,000. Accrued interest not recorded, 10,000. So what should I do? I'll pass entries now. Adjustment entries to be passed. For accrued commission, the entry would be accrued commission account debtor to commission account, 20,000. So we are going to debit accrued commission and we are going to credit commission. So I am recognizing the income, nominal account, incomes and gains, credit. The person who has to pay me the money, he becomes a debtor in my books. Instead of using his name, I use the term accrued commission. Accountant knows from whom this money is going to come. He need not write the name of that person. We simply write accrued commission account debtor to commission. So now how do you give the impact of this entry in the final accounts? As per this entry, commission account has to be credited. So commission account is already showing a credit balance. This is already showing a credit balance. If you credit the account again, the balance will increase. The same thing we can do in the profit and loss account, right? Plus accrued 20,000. In the outer column, I can show 1,20,000. So this is the impact of the credit. What about the debit? Accrued commission account will show a debit balance of 20,000. It is a receivable for the business. It is a debtor for the business. So we'll show it as an asset in the books. Accrued commission, 20,000. Similarly, we had one more entry which had to be passed for accrued interest. The entry is accrued interest account debit 10,000 to interest income 10,000. What's the logic? We have earned the income, hence nominal account, incomes and gains, credit. The person who has to give this money, he is a person, receiver of my money, debit. He has not given me my money, that means he has received my money. So I'll debit him. So how do you deal with it? Same way. Interest on investment was already showing a credit balance. If you credit it again, it will be increasing the balance. So we'll go to the P&L and add it. And we will have in the balance sheet accrued interest 10,000. So this is how I deal with the accrued income when it is given outside the trial balance. I'll add it to the respective income and show it as an asset in my balance sheet. So this is how I deal with accrued income in my books of accounts.